fine with
Why,
me.
did somebody say something?
Okay, I've had a couple of flights of it with the 4S. I went to use my 6S, but one of the cells is right down. It's about 5 years old and it's had it. I'm not going to risk it. I'll try and get another 6S battery from somewhere else. We'll come out next weekend and have another flight. So here's another flight with it, using the 4S. Flies absolutely beautiful. It is a puppy to fly. I'm loving it. Okay, let's get it in the air. Make sure I'm in the right flight mode, and away we go. Puppy to fly. Look at it, very manoeuvrable. Some of how it flies. As you can see, it goes nice. Practice with the flaps, but you've got to get it really slow with the flaps. You Okay, well that's it for today. We've had a few flights now. She flies really nice. I'm really happy with it. Very happy, in fact. It flies very nice. So yeah, looking forward to getting out again. Thanks to the guys from Flex Innovations, David and QQ. It's good to have this sent out to have a flight with it. As I said, we didn't have a 6S or a 5S. We'll get a 6S and we'll get out next week and have another go. Okay, thanks for watching. Look out for next week's with the 6S. Bye all.